Hello, and thank you for joining me on another episode of the Average EV Educational Series. Today, we're going to be talking about state of charge. The state of charge, simply put, is how much energy is stored in your battery. This is usually shown with a percentage. Right now, my state of charge is 80%, meaning that I have 80% of my battery that I can use however I would like to. It is ideal for you to keep your battery between 40 and 80%. You can definitely go below and you can go above, but in order to preserve your battery health, you would like to stay between 40 and 80% most of the time. Now, there are two different ways you can think about daily charging your vehicle as far as state of charge is concerned. First off, you can either charge up to 70 or 80% and then go down to whatever you use on your daily basis and then charge back up to 70 or 80%. In fact, this is what I do. I start at 80%. I usually drive it to it's about 63%, 65%, and then I charge up every night. And my battery has been doing really well with this, and its health is actually 100% or maybe just a little bit below 100% state of health. Another way you could possibly charge your vehicle is have it charge up to 70 or 80% and then discharge it down to 40 or 50%. And then once you reach that, then charge back up to 70 or 80%. That would be a really good technique for those who don't drive a lot, or maybe you live in a city or an apartment complex where there's no charging. That would be a great way to charge your vehicle and maintain your state of charge and your battery health. Just a little bit of a warning, be sure to not leave your battery at a high state of charge or a low state of charge for too long, because that can damage your battery and ultimately affect the health of your battery. If you do get down to 0 to 10% or somewhere around there, be sure to charge it up as quickly as you can. That way you can maintain pack voltage and promote good battery health. All right, everybody, so that is it on state of charge. Like I said, as long as you don't go above 80 or below 40, regardless of what your opinion is, you're gonna promote good battery health for your vehicle. I hope you found this video informative about state of charge, and I'll catch you all next time.